revient chaque saison.
Dating asawa ni Rufa Gutierrez na si Ilmas Bectas may mensahe para sa kanya. Lalong-lalo na ngayon na napag-graduate nga ni Rufa ang kanyang panganay na anak na si Loreen. Nakakatuwa lamang dahil hindi pala nakakalimot ang kanyang dating asawa at mukhang may pagtingin pa rin hanggang ngayon kay Rufa. Dahil palagi siyang nagme-message dito. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Pag may mga espesyal na okasyon nga ay hindi nakalilimot itong si Ilmas sa kanyang dating asawang si Rufa. Nakakatuwa lang dahil may pagka-sweet side pala itong si Ilmas. Kaya naman natutuwa dito si Rufa at magkasundo nga sila ngayon. Mensahe nga ni Ilmas para sa kanyang dating asawa, to the respected mother of my beautiful daughter, Sharmina Rufa Gutierrez, who raised her with love, devotion, and great sacrifice to become the wonderful person she is today. I sincerely thank you for everything and carry endless gratitude in my heart. From Ilmas Bectas. Graduate na kasi ang kanilang panganay na anak na si Loreen sa ibang bansa din. Hindi naman nakapunta dito si Ilmas pero nagpapasalamat siya sa lahat ng ginawa ni Rufa para sa kanilang mga anak. Endless gratitude for everything you have given, every sacrifice you made, and every beautiful memory you left behind. Sila nga ang bunga ng pagmamahala ni Rufa Gutierrez at Ilmas Bectas na hindi naman nagtagal ang relasyon. Pero ngayon ay bumabalik itong si Ilmas sa buhay ni Rufa Gutierrez. May pag-asa pa naman habang buhay, lalong-lalo na malalaki na ang kanilang mga anak. At itong si Loreen naman, ang panganay ni Rufa Gutierrez, ay nagpupunta naman din at umuwi rin sa kanyang tatay Ilmas Bectas kung saan nakatira ngayon ito. Napakayaman din itong si Ilmas Bectas at pag nagpupunta nga ang kanyang mga anak sa kanyang bahay at sa lugar nila ay talaga namang asikasong-asikaso ito. All expense paid, lahat ng ginagasta ng mga batang ito para pumunta sa kanilang tatay. Malalaki na nga sila at may mga kanya-kanya ng desisyon. Kaya naman hinahayaan na lang din ni Rufa Gutierrez na gumala ang kanyang dalawang anak sa kanyang tatay Ilmas Bectas. Relax na relax nga ang mga anak ni Rufa Gutierrez tuwing gumagala sa kanilang daddy Ilmas Bectas. Nakakatuwa lang dahil hindi lang naman din itong si Loreen at si Venice ang anak ni Ilmas dahil mayroon din siya na unang anak pa sa unang asawa nito. Ang pinaka-importante sa lahat ay maayos ang kanilang relasyon, maayos ang relasyon ni Rufa Gutierrez at Ilmas Bectas bilang mga magulang ni Loreen at Venice. Pero sana ay magkabalikan sila dahil mukha namang mabait itong si Ilmas Bectas. Thankful and blessed si Rufa Gutierrez finally. Nakapagpatapos na siya na isang anak at may isa pa siyang iniintay na si Venice. Nakakatuwa lang dahil kahit single mother, nagpupursige talaga siya para mapaganda ang buhay ng kanyang mga anak. Precious moments from Loreen Gabriel's graduation captured by Nice Print. As I pack for Manila with a fever and a full heart, among tears say it all. No matter how hard life gets, we rise. Congratulations once again, dearest Loreen. You've made all of us so proud. This achievement is not just ours, but also for everyone who supported you along the way. Never forget to stay humble, keep your faith, and always pray. Be an inspiration, set an example, become everything you are meant to be. We love you so much, Loreen Gabriel Gutierrez Bectas. A very heart-touching message from her mommy Rufa Gutierrez to Loreen. From tiny footsteps to graduation walks. So proud of you, Loreen. And just like that, my baby girl is a college graduate. Watching you grow into the independent young woman you are today has been my greatest joy. You worked so hard for this moment, and you deserve it all. Forever proud of you, Loreen. This is only the beginning. Your family, friends, followers, fans, Venice and I love you so much. Sa graduation nga ni Loreen ay talaga namang kompleto ang kanyang pamilya. Nandiyan ang kanyang mga tito, tita at ang kanyang mga pinsan. Nakakatuwa lang dahil full support talaga silang pamilya para sa mga anak ni Rufa Gutierrez. Nariyan din ang kanyang tito, Raymond Gutierrez, ang partner nito. Talaga namang nakakatuwa ang mainit na pagsuporta nila kay Loreen. Natutuwa sila at very proud para kay Loreen na nakagraduate na nga siya ng kolehiyo.
I'm late. We're late.
Okay, this is your fault. I understand what she did.
I looked more beautiful without
Okay.
makeup to begin with.
Okay, but
you
then-
gave me a black eye.
Okay, just please stay there.
Oh my god. We are so late.
Okay, just stop talking already. You're actually overstimulating me.
It's just eyeliner and she's overstimulating me.
Stop moving. I told you what to do,
Can
mommy.
you imagine if she starts
Okay.
paying bills?
Okay.
What are we doing?
Okay, mommy.
She said put
Hey.
like eyeliner,
Okay,
so
look,
I did.
I told you to lift your eye up like that and then do like that.
Okay.
No, you're not even touching your eye. Okay, you know what? I'm doing it. Come here.
Don't make tusok my eye.
I'm not. Okay, because you can't do it.
You know, my eyes are malabo.
Wow, do you see how good I did that, Lorraine? Light that up.
What are you doing? Like no one's
Okay,
gonna
look.
see me but 10 people.
See, wow, I did so good. And then look at the eye that you did.
Mind you, they look the
Okay,
exact
you don't
same.
get it.
What if to hire other people?
Keep an eye open for Celine or...
Okay, look there. Okay, so that looks horrible. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna...
You're gonna remove
No,
it again?
you don't get it. Okay, just look here. Close it. Look, she lacks concealer.
Okay, well, what I should... You're the makeup
Look,
artist.
look.
What, exactly.
I woke up at 6 a.m. this morning and was contemplating my life, but quickly got up and got dressed. A tip is you kind of have to get up within the first 5 seconds of waking up early or else you won't move out of bed. I did my skincare, put on some moisturizer, and of course lip balm. I hate when my lips feel chapped. Threw on an Amika hair mask. I was doing a workout today, so I love my hair to kind of marinate in a hair mask when I'm doing that. Did some blush and some lip balm and lip liner as my only makeup, and put on a really light perfume and drove to Runyon Canyon Park. This is a view from like the car park area, and it was absolutely beautiful. The sun was just starting to rise over the city. See if you can spot downtown Los Angeles. This hike is very unassuming. It doesn't seem that hard, but before you know it, your body starts to feel the burn and you look back and you're like, wow, I'm actually in the mountains right now. I came so far. So I was feeling pretty proud of myself. I loved seeing all the dogs on the trail, and there is the Hollywood sign in all of its glory. I didn't even notice it behind me because I was looking at the other view, and then I turned around and I was